Michelle, can you believe somebody complains that I talk too much during my videos?
Who said that?
Oh, some guy left a comment, yelled at me and said, hey, you talk too much during your videos.
Isn't that a tutorial?
I think that's the point of YouTube. People just get upset.
Welcome to Everything Elliot, where I give everything a try. And while you're here, don't forget to check out some of my other videos.
What's going on, guys? I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and today we're going to be putting a downpipe in the 97 F350. What are you munching on?
Eating some snacks.
Some snacks. So we got the F350 pulled over here, and first things first, I'm going to get some of my homemade penetrating oil, spray down that band clamp, make sure it comes off with no issue. Now, if you haven't seen my video on the homemade penetrating oil, I'll put a link up top for you guys to watch. Pretty easy to make. Oh, let's get a little better stream. Get that nice and soaked down. Don't want to have any issues. So now that we got the band clamp nice and lubed up, we'll grab some the proper size wrench, which I don't really know what it is, but we'll figure it out. Maybe it's 10 mil? Maybe? Nope. 11? Oh, there she is. 11 mil. Oh, yeah. And that's why I like greasing things up really good before I take them off, because then you have no issue. Ooh, that's hot. There we go. It's in pretty good shape still. That's a good thing, because I think these are expensive. Oh yeah, downpipe is nice and loose. That's what I like to see. So what we'll do next is we're going to put the truck up on the lift, and we'll get it disconnected from underneath. Let's take a look. So the exhaust, the downpipe is that right there. Call it the old cobra head. And man, oh man, there is not a lot of room up there. Sneaks right up there. Comes back to that exhaust clamp. So we got to get that clamp off. Hopefully the rest goes well. Well, I'm going to get that clamp off of there, and then I'll be back with you guys when it's time to start fishing it out. I have a feeling we're going to need to cut it up top to snake it out. All right. Got it unbolted. You can see right there. And it's loose. It's just, there's no way it's coming out of there without being cut. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to be starting to cut up the downpipe. Just going to use a Sawzall. I'm going to make a cut on the bottom. I'll probably make a couple cuts on the bottom just to get it all out of there as much as I can. There's going to be no turning back at this point. So I'm going to start hacking away, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, Sawzall has been out, and we have cut the top half of the downpipe off. And I'm hoping that that cut right there will give me enough room to just wiggle it out from underneath. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I guess we'll find out. So we're going to go back up with the truck and see if we can do some wiggling. It is raining out there. All right, well, hitting it with a 2x4 seems to be working. That's the part it was stuck on, so I guess we'll go back up with it and see what kind of damage I did down below. So let's see if I hit anything that I wasn't supposed to hit. Nope. There it is. Down a little further, it's on the stream rail, and it is wedged in there good and tight. What a pain in the butt. Guess I'll try some more wiggling. All right, got another piece off. I hate to say it, but I think I got to go down again and just keep hitting it with the wood. All right, I'm really stuck here. This is really a two-person job. Let's see if I can show you what my problem is. Down in there, there's a bolt that the downpipe is stuck on. And if I would have cut the downpipe an inch over this way, it would have been no problem. But I didn't. And now it's stuck. So, I don't know. I'm gonna work at it and see if I can get it. Downpipe is out. Like I said, it was a two-man job, so I had to call in my reinforcements and get Timmy over here. Needed one person on the bottom to guide it, one person on the top to hit it, and then once I had a helper here, it came out fairly easy. But I had to change my clothes because it started raining again. We had a little bit of a flood issue in the house and in the shop. But either way, the Cobra head is out, and now we got to try to get the new one in. All right, the first half of the downpipe is in, but it is right there, and it slid right in, no issues. Probably because we bent the hell out of the firewall while trying to get the Cobra clamp out, or a Cobra downpipe out. You can see my transmission line is right there. The pipe actually has to move up about an inch anyway, so I think we're going to clear that line. We just have to, I got to get the second half of the pipe on. That comes back. Well, the second half of the pipe is in. Let's get you a look right here. So, band clamp. First half of the pipe is up there. And then this second half comes down and ends right there. But right now we got to lower it back down and put the V-clamp on it. So the issue we're having is the downpipe needs to be clocked. We'll fit this on here, and instead of trying to do both things at once, we're trying to do one thing at a time. It's just not working. So I'm going to lay on the ground, get the second piece on there. Timmy's going to do the rest. Cut that band clamp off.
Oh, you just pulled it off?
Fell right out.
Well, at least you're addressing this.
Huh?
At least you're addressing the situation then.
Pride and ownership, Timmy.
Yep.
Pride and ownership.
Yeah, it's a dandy boy job there.
Got the downpipe in. It is right here. Coming back to our temporary exhaust. Just went to Napa, got a piece of 3" with a 90 with a little hanger up there until I buy the rest of the exhaust. But for right now, since it's not on the road and I don't drive it, just move it around the yard. This will do plenty fine. You see I put a band or a U-clamp in here because the band clamp they gave us, I didn't really like it. So put that in there. So we'll set it down, tighten up the turbo clamp, and we should be ready to rock and roll. All right, now a disclaimer before I start this. I haven't driven it since I've done the O-rings in it, or the injector O-rings. So it does still smoke quite a bit, but should sound pretty good. What do you think, Timmy?
Better.
Better? See, after it warms up, no white smoke anymore. Not too bad. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Putting that on there. Hope you enjoy it. Let me shut this pig down. Yeah, alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And check out some of my other videos. You might like them. Tim likes them.
Yeah.
Loves them. Alright guys, have a great day.